When you start the Pearl Echo Report Manager, you are first presented with a list of standard reports that can be customized and saved for future use. Over 75 reports are available from the report tree view, including top usage reports, bandwidth utilization, time spent at specific sites and domains, time spent accessing categorized content like sports, shopping, or adult sites, as well as costs associated with internet usage. To run a report, simply select the report and set the applicable report parameters. For this demonstration, we'll select Cost at Website by User. Next, specify the date range over which your data will be analyzed. We'll set the report to look at internet activity that occurred during the previous month. Next, select the group of users to be included in the report. For this example, we'll include users in the accounting group. The available groups are based on your Active Directory groups that Pearl Echo automatically detects and presents. In addition, you can create custom report groups if you're not using Active Directory, or if you want to group users independently of your AD structure. More on report groups momentarily. Since we are running a cost online report, we'll need to define an average wage to associate with this group of users. For this example, we'll use $20 an hour. The final step in creating this report is defining the data against which the report will be run. There are a number of data sources from which to choose. You can select data from the real-time log of internet activity. You can also select all the data from your Pearl Echo Data Archive. You may also run the report against data in the active window that you may have created by filtering and sorting through the real-time Pearl Echo activity log. If you're using the Pearl Echo SQL Server module, you can define the location of your data source in the advanced area. In this same area, you can also specify a specific file against which to run the report. This may be a single archive file or any other file that you have saved in Pearl Echo's native file format. While we're in the advanced area, let's take a look at the Record Criteria tab. Here we can further customize what data will be included in our final results, providing complete flexibility and extending the utility of all the available reports. For our example, let's exclude sites that contain our company intranet. Let's also exclude activity that occurs for employees who get an early start. Once your report parameters are set, simply click on the Run Report button to generate the report. From the Report Preview screen, you can view your report and drill down into specific entries that may be of interest to you. Reports can be saved to any location on your network and emailed to department heads and stakeholders directly from this report preview screen. While we're here, let's take a quick look at the Cost at Category report. This is similar to the report we just saw. However, this report uses the optional Echo Filters category module to detail the type of web usage being accessed. The standard and custom reports that you create can be run ad hoc or scheduled to be run and distributed automatically. Before we review how to automate the report process, let's take a quick detour and review how report groups are created and modified. In the previous example, we ran a report for users in the accounting department. The available users that can be added to a group are gathered from your domain's Active Directory, or in the absence of Active Directory, the server's access control list. You can also manually add usernames or import them from the text file that you create. In this example, we're going to create a group of users that the company's CFO has asked to keep an eye on. We'll call the new group Accounting Watch Group, which will be based on a subset of users that belong to the Active Directory Accounting Group. To do so, first we select the Accounting Group from the list of domain groups. Next, we add users to our new report group by selecting the users in the Available Users list and moving them to the Selected Users list. Next, we select the Save As button and define our Accounting Watch group. Once the group is defined, it is then available in the Reports tab to be used when defining new reports. We'll change our standard cost report to use this new group and save the report as one of our custom groups. Now that we have a report set up, let's review the steps necessary to automate the reporting process. Pearl Echo reports can be scheduled to be published to any accessible directory, including an organization's intranet, so users can easily view reports through their web browser. Reports can also be automatically generated and distributed by email using Pearl Echo's built-in emailer. For this example, we'll schedule our custom report to be emailed to the CFO. We'll set the report to be created every Monday morning at 10 a.m. We'll also configure the report to be published to the corporate intranet to be reviewed by HR. To schedule our report, we first select the report from the report list tree view. Next, we select Weekly from the Schedule Report dropdown. Choose the day we want to run the report and time of day the report should be run. To save the report to our intranet, we select Output to File, set the file format to HTML, and specify the location where we want to save the report. To set the report manager to automatically email our report, select Send via email. Select a file format and enter the email addresses that should receive the report. That's it. Reports are now ready to be generated and distributed automatically.